Since the dualization of Ekwulobia down to Oga Road started, I've been able to visit the Oga section of the road only but once, but I have steadily covered the Ekwulobia section down to Ekwulobia. So today, guys, we are visiting back to Oga section of the road to go and see what the place is currently looking like, if it is completed or if it is abandoned. Let's go, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So we are currently at Ekwulobia heading to Oga, and this is what the dualization of Ekwulobia down to Oga road is currently looking like. For those who care to know, I started this filming just before the Agwata local government in Ekwulobia axis, just a little bit close or a little bit far from the Ekwulobia flyover. That is where I begin this filming, and from there we headed to Mbologu down to Oga axis, and I'm gonna be briefing or give you a full gist of what I saw, even though I did not get the opportunity to do a kind of stroll vlog, like come down from the tricycle and show you guys more clearer view of what the road is currently looking like. But I hope from the little one I covered on this video, you guys are seeing everything for yourself on this particular video. So what we saw when we visited this particular section is that at some point the road is becomes more wider, like it becomes more wide than more than what you have around the agro axis, because what I'm noticing within that agro axis of that road dualization is that the agro axis side is somehow very tiny, even coming towards Nanka also, but this particular place is more wide, is wider than what you have over there. But there's one problem which we notice here. Assuming I have the time, I would have come down from the tricycle and did a very thorough vlog for you guys, but I will be saying it with my mouth, then while you do the watching, and see everything. But somehow I do not cover those things. One thing we noticed here when we visited, aside that the road is wider than what we have over there, is that the poor condition of the road construction. Honestly, truth to be told, if I'm to speak my mind and speak what we saw when we visited this road needs another coating. It needs another coating. If this road is not coated again, honestly, I'm seeing this road spoil in the next 1 to 2 years. A lot of potholes will be on this road, honestly speaking, from what we saw. Because as I'm telling you right now, even when I went to Oga, coming back, I saw where they have asphalted already, and they are now patching it again. Like, the place are spoiled and they are now patching the place. I don't understand. It just nearly completed road that has not lasted for more than, if I'm not mistaken, for more than 2 months now, or 2 months or a month plus, is being patched. It sounds sounds funny. Like, for me, after the whole thing, after they might have completed everything, the entire road from Ekwulobia should be recoated, honestly, to give this road a more durability look or something, and make it last longer, like a more lifespan to the road, to make it last longer. That's all my concern, because from what we saw here, honestly speaking, it's not given. The only thing I kind of applaud them here is that it's more wider than what you have around Aglo. But talking about the durability of the road, honestly, the road is not durable at all. The road is not durable. Some part of the road is getting very bad, honestly, and I don't know if the people in charge are aware of this. If they are aware of this, something should be done about it. This thing is somehow like a newly completed road being patched just barely 2 months or 1 month after construction. Is somehow, honestly, somehow, like that's what we saw there when we visited. And honestly, I'm not happy with the whole situation. Honestly, I'm not happy. But other than that, the drainage system we saw there is okay. But at some point before the roundabout, when you get to Ga, before the roundabout, nothing has done over there. The dualization and the asphalting ended somewhere. Why before that roundabout, nothing has been done over there. You will get to see them when we reach that part. So let's continue. From our visit and what we saw, the road does not come with walkways. There's no walkways available on the road. But if they will still put walkways, we are yet to know. Maybe they will cover the drainage system and do walkways. We are yet to know. But for now, the road does not come with any walkway. Starting from where we started our filming down to the last place, which is where the asphalted and the dualization currently ends. There's no walkways available, but you can find walkways around the Ekwulobia flyover, coming up a little bit to as if you are coming to the local government axis. That is where you can find the walkways. But over here, there is no walkway except the drainage system, the dualization. That's what you find here. So the road does not come with walkways, and the drainage system is not covered. Like I mentioned earlier, the road is not durable at all. If there is any people that is in charge of this, they should make sure they look after these people before they are finished and leave the site. Something should be done about this asphalted area already. It's not durable at all. It's not durable. If this thing is like this, and they finish up their work and leave, that is means within the next couple of months we're gonna start reconstructing this road again. So that is just it. So stick to the video and watch till the end and see where the dualization and the asphalted area currently ends, and also see where that is remaining. Though I do not cover the remaining part, but I cover from where we started down to the Oga roundabout. Though I asked some people around and they told me that other people are working on the other end of it, coming towards this side. So you can see what you currently just watched right now was where the asphalted area ends and the dualization. So from here down to the roundabout in Oga, nothing has been done around this axis. I will still show you more clearer video of the place, where the asphalting currently end. Just don't leave, don't stop somewhere. Just stick to the end of the video. You're gonna see everything for yourself, where the asphalting ends and the rest of it. So this is the list of all these axes, but one thing you need to know is that here now the drainage system over here has been completed. They have constructed drainage system around here, remaining to be dualized and leveling of ground and started pouring stone and the rest. So the drainage system over here has been completed and nothing more. So drainage system is completed. So we are expecting for them to commence other works. So from here now you're gonna see the roundabout, the Oga roundabout around that place, and what it looks like. One thing I don't like about that roundabout is that it's not being properly taken care of. It's looking like more of where they are dumping waste products or something. It's not looking clean at all, and I'm hoping that when the dualization of this road we get to that place, something should be done about the roundabout. So from here now you're gonna see the clearer view of where the asphalted area and dualization currently ends. So this is it. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be ending this video. If you have anything to talk about on the video, kindly drop them via our comment section, and if you have anything to contribute from what I just be review guys concerning the durability of the road, also let us know. Please, no insult. If you know more than what we have said on this video, kindly brief us. We also know. And if they have in mind of applying another coating on the road, also let us know via the comment sections. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, do click on the thumb up button, and have a wonderful day. Till we meet in our next video.